In Introduction to Blockchain. Introduction to Blockchain is the first course in the AWS Blockchain series. This course is intended for anyone that's interested in gaining a foundational understanding of blockchain technology and a better understanding of how Amazon Web Services supports blockchain. By completing this course, you should be able to list blockchain core concepts, compare and contrast blockchain and other similar technologies such as database and ledgers, explain the benefits of blockchain in solving business problems, state examples of blockchain technology applied in various industries, recognize the challenges in establishing blockchain, describe the basics, concepts, and functionality of Amazon managed blockchain. This course provides a basic explanation of blockchain, discusses the technological evolution that leads to blockchain, and then discusses the benefits and core concepts that make blockchain work. It also covers things like the barriers to setting up a blockchain network, business use cases that benefit from blockchain. It briefly touches on Amazon Web Service managed blockchain solution. To learn more, continue to the next lesson, Introduction to Blockchain. Lesson 3, Introduction to Blockchain. Blockchain is a globally recognized term among the IT community. However, it's not a globally understood technology. Many people think of blockchain and Bitcoin as synonymous. Blockchain, however, is much more than a cryptocurrency platform. Blockchain is a decentralized database that keeps a permanent record of all transactions. Once a record is written to a blockchain, it is unable to be altered. To better understand blockchain, it's important to be familiar with the concepts that lead up to blockchain. At the end of this lesson, you should be able to recall an everyday example of blockchain technology that is currently in use. Understand what is meant by ledger, distributed ledger, and blockchain technology. Everyday blockchain. The cryptocurrency Bitcoin is likely the first example of blockchain that you heard about. You may not have even known it was a blockchain based. Bitcoin is a decentralized digital currency. That means it's not issued by a central bank. It also doesn't have a single entity controlling its value or distribution. Bitcoin is designed to prevent counterfeiting or duplication of funds. As blockchain's use has grown, additional cryptocurrencies have been created. The reason blockchain is so important to cryptocurrency is that it prevents currency from being duplicated. Someone can't simply go in and edit the amount of currency they have. They also can't spend the same currency twice. As soon as the currency is spent, it's transferred to the new holder, and the old holder can double spend it. Having a complete, detailed transaction history of cryptocurrency is crucial for trust in cryptocurrency. Blockchain provides this complete, detailed history. What are some other use cases that might benefit from blockchain? Shipping. Major international shippers are starting to use blockchain technology to monitor shipments. Blockchain provides shippers with several valuable tools to maintain control of their customers' property. Every touch point or interaction can be tracked and logged. Blockchain's consensus mechanism ensures that all the data included is the data that was entered. Nobody has manipulated the data after the fact. And finally, the record contains the entire history of a shipped item from entering the shipping system through delivery. Supply chain tracking. Grocers are starting to recognize that blockchain enables origin to destination tracking with detailed information every step of the journey. They can see the information at harvest, such as date, temperature, location, method, and so on. They can track the items from harvest all the way to the checkout. They can monitor how long the item sat in a warehouse, how long it spent on a train or truck, and how long it's been sitting on their shelves. In the case of a foodborne illness, they can quickly isolate all the inventory from a specific plant and immediately know which of their customers purchased that inventory. The path to blockchain. Now that you have an idea of some blockchain's use cases, you can examine the path to blockchain, starting with ledgers. Ledgers. Oxford Learners Dictionaries define a ledger as a book of or electronic document in which a bank or a business, etc., records the money it has paid and received. Ledgers have been around in some form for over 5,000 years. Evidence exists of Mesopotamians keeping track of financial transactions on clay tablets. Ledgers have obviously come a long way since then. The overall function of ledgers may not have changed much, but how they accomplish their functions has changed quite a bit. Now, ledgers are frequently applications with a database behind them. A client application connects into the main database, reads current data, and sends updates. However, this is subject to tampering or data loss. With direct access to the source file, the file can be edited and shaped out, and the end user may never notice.